In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Booking.com extranet account. The extranet is the partner portal where you manage your property details, rates, availability, and reservations. To get there quickly and securely, start by opening the official Booking.com website in your browser. On the homepage, look to the top area of the screen and click on List Your Property. Even if you already have an account, this is the quickest doorway to the partner side of the platform. A quick tip: make sure the address bar shows the official Booking.com domain and that your connection is secure before entering any information. Next, on the page that opens, click on Sign In. This takes you from the property onboarding area to the standard partner login. If you see options about starting a new listing, ignore those for now. You're just using this route to access your existing extranet account. Now enter the email address or username linked to your partner account in the username field. Type carefully to avoid typos, especially if your browser has multiple saved accounts. If you manage more than one property or multiple logins, pick the account that has extranet access for the property you want to manage. When you're ready, click Next to move on. On the password screen, type your password exactly as you set it. Check that caps lock isn't on and that your keyboard layout is correct, especially if you use special characters. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it fill the field for accuracy. Avoid typing your password where others can see your screen and never share it with anyone. Finally, click Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to the Booking.com extranet dashboard where you can update availability, review reservations, and handle messages. In some cases, for extra security, you might be asked to confirm your identity with a verification code or through a trusted device. If that appears, simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by Booking.com to complete the process. If you run into trouble, double-check that you're using the correct account details and that you're on the official site. If you accidentally land on a guest account page, sign out and repeat the steps starting from List Your Property, then choose Sign In. For password issues, use the secure recovery options shown on the login page. And if all else fails, the Partner Help Center can guide you further. That's it. Click List Your Property, choose Sign In, enter your username, hit Next, type your password, and click Sign In to access your Booking.com extranet.